Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. I'm back with a new video. Today's video is based on how you can need the official WhatsApp to use this account problem on your device. In order to fix this kind of issue, you'll need to first make sure to update your application and then check your internet connection. Now, if you're facing this kind of issue, such as need the official WhatsApp to use this account issue on your device, what you'll need to do is you need to go to your Play Store first of all. After that, you'll be able to see the interface like this. On this page, go ahead and click on the profile icon located here right on top. As soon as you click on it, a drop down menu appears. From the list, you need to go ahead and click on Play Protect. After that, it's going to direct you to the Play Protect page. Go through it all, click on the gear icon located here right on top. By default, both of these options or feature will be enabled, so you need to toggle the switch and disable it or turn it off. Once you've done this, you need to clear the cache of WhatsApp. So go ahead and long press on your WhatsApp, click on the app info icon, go to storage and cache, click on clear cache as well as clear storage if you want to do it. So sometimes you might lose your data. It's better not to clear storage. So after that, you need to log in into your account. Try fixing and you might be able to fix your issue and you might be able to log in into your account. Apart from that, if you're still unable to fix after doing all of these procedures, what else you can do is you can directly get a hold of a customer service team. For that, you need to go to your web store and then go to your web browser, and then on the search box type in WhatsApp help support team, and you'll be able to find a contact info and you can just call them and state about the issue. So in this way, you can fix your need of your WhatsApp to use this account issue on your device. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.